So here I'll be experimenting with this. So this is HCSR04 sensor, and let me show you this. This is VCC trigger. The R written cylindrical sensor is receiver and T written cylindrical sensor is transmitter, and VCC ground, trigger and echo. These are the 4 pins will be used for interfacing. So now I'll connect it on the breadboard and subsequently I'll make the connections. So here I'm connecting it on breadboard. So let me connect VCC, ground, trigger and echo. So in this way I am connecting the wires. So here red one, not quite red, but this color wire should be connected to VCC, and black wire should be connected to ground. So here the black wire, I'll connect it to ground. Then comes this white wire, which is echo, grey wire is trigger and red wire is VCC. So let me connect it to ground. Then VCC. Then this connect the trig pin at pin 8, then echo pin at pin 9, and this red one is connected to VCC. My connection is complete. Now what I'll do is I'll upload my program. Let me connect the USB. So here I'll open Arduino IDE. See, I have already saved the file as ultrasonic. Now let me write the program. So first what I'll do is I'll define pin trigger and pin echo. So trigger is at pin 8 and then echo is at pin 9. The variable called duration, which is a long type, I have initialized it as 0. Then a variable float distance and initializing it as 0.0. So now inside void setup I'll configure the pins. So first I'll configure the baud rate for serial communication, that is at 9600. Then I'll configure the pin trigger as output and echo as input. So trigger as output and then echo as input. Now as I have completed the configuration, now I'll write the void loop function, and here the main thing I'll write. So first I'll write the function for trigger. So digital write trigger comma low, then a delay of 2 microseconds. You have already learned about delay microseconds function. So as I have said, delay microsecond of 2, then trigger high. Now here I am sending the pulse, trigger high for 10 microseconds. So here I am writing 10 microseconds and then digital write trigger low. So this will complete the transmission function. So if I write digital write trigger low, then this process will complete the transmission. If we send a 10 microsecond pulse to trigger pin, the transmitter of HCSR04 will transmit sound waves. Now it's time to receive. Now what I'll write is duration is equal to pulse in within bracket echo comma high. This function will return the time and it will be stored in duration variable. So here distance is equal to duration into the formula I have already shown you, 0.0343 divided by 2. By this formula will be getting the exact obstacle distance. So here I am printing the distance up to 2 decimal places and I am using a delay of 100 milliseconds. Why? Because to slow down the printing process. So float distance, trigger pin is defined, echo pin defined, duration is 0, float distance 0, then baud rate 9600. Pin mode trigger is configured as output, echo is configured as input. Now come to void loop and here digital write, trigger low, then delay of 2 microseconds, then trigger high, delay of 10 microseconds. So by this we are sending a 10 microsecond pulse to the HCSR04 and it will transmit the sound waves through these lines. And then I am receiving the timings from pulse in and it is getting stored in duration variable. Then I am calculating the distance by simply writing distance is equal to duration into 0.0343 divided by 2. Now it's time to print the distance. So I am using, you can also calculate 0.03. So I am using serial.println within bracket distance comma 2, it will print the distance value up to 2 decimal places, then using a delay of 100 milliseconds to slow down the printing process so that we can easily visualize the distances. Now program is done and it is saved. Now I'll upload my program. So I have uploaded the program. Now I'll open the serial monitor. So it's opened. See, the distance is showing. I have put a scale between the ultrasonic sensor and the obstacle. And see, you can see the data and subsequently you can check the scale's measurement. See, here I am placing the obstacle at 9 centimeter away from ultrasonic sensor and it is showing 9 centimeter. So here it is at 14 centimeter and now it is showing 14.2. If I move the obstacle, it will subsequently show the exact distance. Like it is at 20. It is showing now 20. So this is how the ultrasonic sensor works. Now I think you have the clear idea about how to interface HCSR04 with Arduino.